Here we're back in the island light. Oh, we're calling, everything feels right. From the city streets to the ocean blue. One more day, let the road take you. Morning sun over Waikiki, diamond head looking out to sea. Walking where the city meets the sand. Warm blue water, our feet in the sand. Palm trees dancing in the ocean breeze. Surfers riding underneath the heat. No need to hurry, nowhere to be, just OʻAHU and the family. Windows down, let the trade winds roll. Follow the coastline, follow the soul. Every turn got another view. Mountain green and an ocean blue. OʻAHU, take us around. From the city lights to the North Shore Sound. Under the sun, under sky so blue. Every road brings something new. OʻAHU, wherever we roam. Somehow this island feels like home. From sunrise shores to the evening glow. Keep that island rhythm nice and slow. Nice and slow. Down the coast where the cliffs rise high. Makapu'u standing against the sky. White lighthouse watching the endless sea. Waves rolling in wild and free. Wind on our faces, sun overhead. Following the road wherever it led. Turquoise water far below. Another side of OʻAHU we came to know. Then the evening came with the firelight glow. Chiefs Luau and the island show. Drums start talking, flames rise high. Dancers moving underneath the sky. Stories carried from long ago. Through every rhythm, every glow. Laughing together as the night rolled through. A little more aloha to take home too. OʻAHU, take us around. From the city lights to the North Shore Sound. Under the sun, under sky so blue. Every road brings something new. OʻAHU, wherever we roam. Somehow this island feels like home. From sunrise shores to the evening glow. Keep that island rhythm nice and slow. Northbound road with the ocean near. Sharks go waiting, water crystal clear. Rocky shores and the waves roll in. Mask goes down and we dive right in. North Shore living easy and free. Salt on our skin from the open sea. No clock ticking, just another day. Following the island all the way. The Lanikai in the afternoon. Soft white sand underneath the moon. Mountains rising behind the bay. Wish we could make this moment stay. Then everything quiet, everything still. Temple bells beneath the hills. Byodo-In reflected below. Koi in the water moving slow. For just a moment the whole world waits. Green coral rising beyond the gates. From ocean rhythm to temple peace. OʻAHU giving us one last release. OʻAHU, take us around. From Waikiki to the North Shore Sound. Through mountain roads and an ocean blue. Every mile another view. OʻAHU, wherever we roam. We'll carry a little of the island home. From morning sun to the evening glow. Aloha OʻAHU before we go. One more sunset, one more sea, one more island memory. Road keeps turning, trade winds blow. Aloha OʻAHU before we go. Mahalo. Golden sunrise on the sea. Trade winds singing over me. reaching for the sky. Clouds are slowly drifting by. Waikiki shining bright, ocean glowing in the light. Everywhere, every smile made this journey all worthwhile. E como mai, feel the island calling. E como mai, my heart is falling. Aloha, OʻAHU, you will always call me home. Kayan mountains all around, where my spirit freely roams. Aloha, OʻAHU, forever in my soul you'll stay. Mahalo for these memories, I'll return to you someday. Quiet temples filled with peace, where the rushing moment cease. Makapu'u meets the sky. Lanikai is paradise. Green valleys, endless blue. Every dream somehow came true. Every sunset paints the sea. This is where I'm meant to be. Hele mai, feel the ocean breeze. Aloha lives. Ooh, aloha, KAUAʻI. Ooh. Morning light on Hanalei, ocean breeze will lead the way. Anini shines in crystal blue, every wave feels fresh and new. Mountain roads and emerald skies, rainbows dancing in our eyes. Every mile another view, paradise feels brand new. Take it in, don't let go. This is where our spirits grow. Oh, KAUAI, God and I, forever free. Napali rising from the sea. You left your mark on me. Oh, KAUAI, every sunset, every tide will always carry you inside. Aloha is our guide. Waimea painted red and gold, stories only nature told. Dolphins dancing by the boat, sea turtles gently float. Monk seals resting in the sun, every day a new adventure begun. Tropic birds above us fly, dreams are written in the sky. Ocean calling, hearts alive. Every moment, every drive. Hold these memories, don't let fade. Paradise we've always chased. Oh, KAUAI, God and I, forever free. From Hanalei to Napali, you're part of our family. Oh, KAUAI, one more wave before we go. calling you.
Oahu beating, ocean roaring. Poipu sun, the waves are breaking. Sea turtles resting by the shore. Salt and sunlight, wild blue water always leaves us wanting more.
Palm trees moving, trade winds blowing. Feel the rhythm, feel the sound. From the north shore to the south shore, paradise is all around. Hele, holo, through the wind we go. Hele, holo, let KAUAʻI show. KAUAʻI, we ride into the sun. KAUAʻI, the adventure's just begun. From Hanalei to Poipu, golden sand and ocean blue. KAUAʻI calling you. KAUAʻI, we ride into the sun. KAUAʻI, together we are one. KAUAʻI, KAUAʻI, KAUAʻI.
One last sunset on the water, one last walk along the sand. No one here is in a hurry. Life just moves a little slower.
Aloha everywhere we go. Mahalo with a smile. And somewhere from across the road, we hear another ride on. Aloha for now, Hawaii, your island days are through. Mahalo for the memories and endless ocean blue. We came here for the sunshine